Games. Anybody who remember some games that we done in the past? Battleship. That was the latest one. Some of the other ones that we did? Hangman. That was the first one we did. You can't talk. Anything else? Was that? No, we never did Monopoly.
No, Monopoly was performance
that
point.
was PowerPoint. Yeah, performance point, I think. And then tic-tac-toe. So, the thing is, we have that tradition on doing games, but we're going to actually kind of like be breaking the mood today because we thought, in those kind of economic conditions, we cannot take that lightly. So we wanted to be a bit more serious and help you drive your business because, in those time of economic conditions, sizing the opportunity and accurately assessing the risk is the name of the game. So what we're going to try to do here is really help you improve your business. And so what we've done is built a little application using the report viewer, and we call that the UN project because it was somewhat creative. And so we actually just put it in the WinForm applications. And I wanted to have that preloaded, but the developer that helped us building that told us this morning that it was going to time out after 9 minutes. Not 10, not 8, 9. So anyway, so that's what it is. It's just literally using a report in the report viewer. And so here what we have is a map of the US. And in blue, you can see our sales force. And so that's our sales force, the number of people we have, and the competition has some of the other states here, and actually has some people there. And so we have about 75 employees, and we cover about 50% of the state. So what we want to do here is figure out exactly, well, how can we take over some more states and actually expand our business. So as we want to expand our business, we can figure out, well, maybe what we need to do is take some people, let's say for example from Oregon, and move them. Obviously, we'll have to leave one person behind in Oregon to be able to have continuity in the business. But
what is this risk?
We'll need to.
I'm just making sure.
It's business, And don't tell my boss I've been practicing business all weekend long. But anyway, we took over. So what happened? We actually moved 3 people here, and we actually successfully took over the region because we actually had more transactions than the other competitors. So we kind of like outsold them, and so we took over the state here. So why don't we try California and see what California will do if we try to take over Arizona here, and that's good. We still took over the region here, so we just left somebody behind. And so what we're going to try to do now is, well, maybe take our state here. Actually, that's a great practice for actually me practicing and learning all my states and helping my 9-year-old kid there. But anyway, so what you saw here is we actually failed. We didn't have enough transactions, and so what happened is all of our sales force was completely, bummed about it, and they were so disappointed about it that they actually quit. So we only have one person left here, and we still have that competitor right there. So, we can do a few more moves here and try to see, if we could, here, our chances to actually overtake this one would not be too good. Maybe we can take over Texas, and see what that will do here. Good, we did perfectly well here. And let's see, for example, if we can have New York here, go and take over Pennsylvania. Not bad. So we're taking over, a few of those, and maybe I'll try to take over maybe a couple more. But, at some point, what's going to happen is by, moving our salespeople, and we're kind of spreading thin. So what we actually need to do at that point is actually hire new staff. So we're going to hire some new people. And obviously, how many can we hire? Well, it depends. How much sales we're doing, how much revenue we're actually making. And so that will calculate exactly how many staff we can actually get. Now, what happens here is obviously I'm just going to hire a new staff, and he's going to tell us, okay, we're about to get 20 people. But the competition is not stale. Your competition is tough out there. So they react, and they do the same as we do. So they try to figure out here also, and we have a highly sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithm that's calculating that. It's under review by the DoD, so I won't be able to disclose it today. But what you're seeing here is that they're kind of like reacting to what we did too, and kind of like trying to gain back some of the market share and some of the state share here. So, okay, they pretty much decimated us here in the middle, right there. So we're gonna have to fight back here, and let's see what we can do here. Okay, you guys want to help me maybe with some of my strategy here? Yeah, what about Australia?
That's called global expansion.
Yeah, we'll work on the world map probably next summer. What's that? Yeah, Canada, sure. Let's see if we can do a few more here. Oh, Texas. Come on, they're weak. This one should be actually fairly easy if I can go here and maybe go and expand a few more. So you get the idea, after like a few more minutes, we can actually expand our business, do something that's pretty good here, or not, and maybe do a few more.
So this seems to be a running theme with the reporting services team.
What
Last
team?
time was Battleship. This time it's
No,
Risk.
that's very serious. We're not playing here.
No, I can see that.
Very, very serious.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to hire some more staff here. We're kind of like doing pretty well here. More employees. We were doing well. Oh, the competition is reacting here as well. Anyway, so thank you very much. That's pretty much it for us. Anybody guessed? Thank you. What it was here? Yes, it was Risk. Exactly.
Monkey!
Thank you.
All right, Terry, thank you.
So,
now let me ask you.
let me tell